OMG guys, finally! This is my dream pink laptop. Disclaimer lang guys, I am not a tech expert or someone who's super knowledgeable when it comes to gadgets. Ever since Windows laptop talaga yung gamit ko from high school, senior high school, and college. And this is actually the first time that I'm switching from Windows to Mac OS. Ayan siya guys. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya guys. And the camera isn't giving justice to how pretty this looks in person. Meron tayong ganito guys. And of course, meron tayong charger which is Type-C na siya. Pang thumbnail. Na-customize ko na yung iba pero papalitan ko pa yung wallpaper and other settings. For its price, super ganda ng quality niya kasi as you can see guys, aluminum siya. Cute ng size niya. Super sleek, very lightweight. Ang dali niya lang bitbitin kapag gusto nyong mag-cafe or sa school. When it comes to the display guys, as you can see, very bright and sharp. So the reason why I switched from Windows to MacBook is because I have my iPhone and my iPad. So having this guys, mas madali para sa akin yung pag-transfer ng files. By the way guys, this is 512 gigabytes and na-try ko na siya for online class, na-try ko na rin siya for work, and perfect siya for virtual assistance kasi nga kahit ilang tabs open mo dyan, wala naman akong na-encounter na problem performance-wise. Nagamit ko na rin pala to guys for video editing. So doon naman tayo guys sa mga problems na encounter ko while using this. First is napabili ko ng Microsoft 365 subscription. Next, the ports are very limited. Kita nyo Type-C, dalawa lang yung port. Need nyo pa ng USB hub for flash drives, SD card, or HDMI. Also, walang backlight yung keyboard niya, kaya need nyo pa ng extra light kapag mag-work kayo ng gabi. Binili ko talaga to guys kasi color pink siya. So yun lang guys. Bye!